Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Jimmy and this is Patriots Glow. Today is going to be a very different video than normal. We are going to do a memorial plaque for a brother of mine that I served in the military with to give to his wife. I myself will not be in the video very much. I am going to do the commentary, and I did not want myself to be on camera, mainly because there are a few times in this video that I get slightly emotional, so I don't want to look like a blubbering idiot. So we will have video of me making the plaque and of my brother Jacob. So if you guys can, please stick around, watch the video all the way through, give it a like, subscribe, share. I promise if this is something that resonates with you, you'll enjoy the video. And please, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, reach out. But I will go ahead and start the video. Thank you guys. Today's project is going to be a little different than normal. This project is something really special and close to my heart. I am creating a memorial plaque for a brother of mine that I served in the U.S. Army with. His name is Jacob Crowell. He was an E4 in the Army. He left us far too soon. At a young age of 35 years old, 1 year younger than myself. Jacob was not just a fellow soldier, but a friend, a teammate, and an inspiration to everyone who knew him. This week, I'm making a plaque to honor him and to give back to his wife, Mary. This isn't about woodworking. This is about paying tribute to a life lost too soon, but also raising awareness for something that's deeply important to myself and should be for everyone, and that's mental health. I'll be honest, woodworking is something that helps me cope with my own thoughts and my own stress. But for so many, the weight of mental health struggles can be overwhelming. And sometimes those signs are hard to see. Jacob's passing is a reminder of how crucial it is to talk about these things, the feelings that we have, because at the end of the day, it's okay not to be okay. I want to take a moment to acknowledge that if you or someone you know is struggling, there are resources out there. Whether it's a friend, family member, or a professional, reaching out for help is one of the most important steps that anybody can take. Please, for yourself and everyone around you, don't wait until it's too late. As I work on this plaque, I'm thinking about Jacob and all of my brothers in the military and all of the good times that we've had together. I know he had his battles, just like a lot of us do, but he also had a heart of gold. The plaque will have a simple yet meaningful design. I want this to reflect the kind of person Jacob was. Strong, yet full of kindness. It'll be a piece that will not only honor his memory, but also remind us to keep fighting, keep talking, and keep supporting each other. Jacob's life was more than his struggles. It was about the laughs, the shared experience, and the love he had for those around him. And that's what we should remember. Mental health is just as important as physical health, and it needs to be treated with the same level of care and urgency. Here I am, finishing up the plaque now. And while it's just a piece of wood, I hope it means something more. A reminder of a fallen friend, of a community that supports one another, and of the importance of mental health awareness. This piece of wood is a small token, but I hope it gives comfort to Mary and her girls. hope it gives comfort to Mary and reminds her that Jacob will always be remembered. I will unfortunately not be able to deliver this directly to Mary, but I will be shipping this out, and I hope this will bring her some comfort to know that Jacob's legacy lives on. But I also want to take a moment to remind all of you, if you're struggling or know someone who is, don't hesitate to reach out for help. There's always someone out there who cares, including myself. Before I wrap up, I want to take a second to mention something that'll help fund future projects like this. If you are inspired by this work and want to help support these meaningful memorials, I have my Etsy shop online where you can find custom woodworking pieces from plaques to home decor. Going forward from today, a portion of all proceeds will go toward creating memorials like this for others who've lost loved ones or veterans who could use a hand. If anyone else has any other ideas that would also help fund these projects, please leave me a comment down below on different ideas that you may have. Every purchase helps me continue these kinds of projects and gives me the resources to honor more amazing people like Jacob. It's a way to make sure we're always lifting each other up, whether it's through art, awareness, or a simple act of kindness. I will link my shop down in the description box below. And I truly appreciate every bit of support. All right, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video today. Hopefully you guys hit the like button, share this video with family and friends, and subscribe. If this video resonated with you, or if you have someone that needs to hear this message, please share it. Together, we can break the silence of mental health and make sure no one else feels the struggle of being alone. And Jacob, thank you for your service, your friendship, and for showing us what it means to fight for the ones that we love. Like I said, everyone, if you have any different ideas or ways to raise money for projects like this, this all came straight directly from my pocket. I don't expect anything for it, but to realistically keep these up and keep these going out to the people that we care about, it's definitely going to be a team effort. So if you guys want, please reach out if you have any other ideas or want to figure out a way so that we can get these funded to make these for family and friends. Please feel free to let me know. But as of now, it is going to be all funded from a portion of any profits that are made on my Etsy store. So if you guys want, please reach out. I am trying to figure out a platform that we can all use, that we can communicate better than just the YouTube comments. So bear with me. I am trying to get something together. Hopefully I have something up before this video releases, which if we do, it will be down in the comment box below. So reach out, please comment, share, subscribe. The bigger this channel grows, the more that we're going to be able to do for other people. So I hope to see you in an upcoming video. It is a way that I have been making some decent money off of this. And a very, very good friend of mine, Crystal, actually gave me the idea to make this for her, and it has been a pretty good money maker. So that video will come out next Friday, and I want to thank everybody again for joining. And it is, I want everyone to know it is okay to ask for help. Stay strong, stay connected. It's hard, but we can do this together. I love you guys, and I will catch you in the next video.